Good day everyone, and today we are waiting for Cody and Chloe kasi nag-haircuts sila. So this is one of our favorite coffee shop here in SM Ortigas. Ang sarap ng kape dito guys. At ang sarap ng cake na to. First time ko to at naubos ko yung cake na yan. At nag-shopping din ako sa department store. Ito yung mga gusto kong mga chocolates, Japan chocolates. And we also purchase their wet food. Ito yung favorite na wet food nila. So bumili akong konti at saka yung peanuts. Medyo matagal yung haircut, like an hour or 1.5 hours kasi dalawa sila. Good thing maaga kami